Hello, welcome to my channel on Track with Illy, and today I am at Stafford on the West Coast Main Line. There goes 805.002 with the 1324 Avanti West Coast service to Chester. I almost said Transpotting for some reason. We've got another cross country.
Western Railway service to London Euston. Calling it Rugeley Trent Valley,
It's an 8 cab.
Valley, Tamworth,
Should we go and see what number it is? I think we should. Let's go and see what number this
This
is.
train is full of 8 coaches. Due to short
Okay, we go here. So,
and Atherstone should board the front 4 coaches.
220.034 on the front. And on the way is 220.003. Okay, here we have 350, 375 and 267 again, going back to London Euston. And 221, 128, they're going to get ready to go now with the 1324, 1321, was going to service to Bournemouth. Two two 128 going to Bournemouth. Underground, like underground. Underground. Okay, there is departing 350-375, Vic Hall is the nameplate, and 350-267 was the 1334 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. I don't forget to mention, guys, you're going to be seeing services by London North Western Railway, cross country, Avanti West Coast, and freight, if there's any more freight that's going to be making an appearance. So 391-1 now finally came.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1340 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Calling at Penkridge, Wolverhampton, Smethwick Galton Bridge and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Oh, it's going to be 7:30.
Passengers for
Okay, so the 1340 to the 1340 that was supposed to arrive is going to be a 7:30. One of the new London North Western class 7:30. Because when I heard 5 coaches, I know it's going to be at 7:30. I know it cannot be a 350. Okay, it looks like there's something coming because the lights are green. But coming in now is the 1340. Actually, no, it's a 350. Why did it say 5?
Platform 5 of the 1340 London North Western Railway
platform 5.
service to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling at Crewe, Runcorn, Liverpool South Parkway, Mossley Hill.
This one is to Liverpool Lime Street. It's going to be the return of 350-254 again. Because I remember seeing this one.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
This is going to Liverpool Lime Street, 350-254. Yeah, 350-254. Again. Second time we've seen this unit today. So the 5 coaches one is going to be something else, Michael.
Attachment 4 from the 1340 London North Western Railway, service to Birmingham New Street.
Birmingham New Street. So it's going to come on platform 4.
Wolverhampton, Smethwick Gorton Bridge, and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Sorry, at the 1324 Avanti.
Okay, we're going to have the 1340 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. It's going to be at 7:30, which is a lovely train. I think it's even way better than the 350s. So it's 7:30 to 12. Wow, this train looks so good. Okay, the party now is going to be 7:30 to 12 with the 1340 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. (7:30 to 12), and 221117 is still here. So I don't know what's going on with it. Nice speed. There goes 39153 going to London Euston. And then we have the 1347 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central via Preston. Nice spark from 39153.
North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Carlisle, Motherwell, and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 11 coaches.
It is 390-117.
Check before you travel this August. The line at Stockport is closed from the 2nd to 22nd of August for major engineering work. No trains will run between Stockport, Macclesfield and Stoke-on-Trent, but will take you by bus instead. Trains between Manchester and London are running, they'll just take a few minutes longer. Head to avantiwestcoast.co.uk/engineering for more information.
Blue Peter is the nameplate on that one. Blue Peter.
May I have your attention please on platform 1? We are sorry to announce that the 1352 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston has been cancelled.
1352 cancelled. 39117 going to Glasgow. Okay, I think the doors are closing now, but 39117 Blue Peter should be ready to go now. It's the 1347 Avanti West Coast service Glasgow Central via Preston. So this one was the 848 from 848 from Manchester before. Now it's going to Glasgow. I think it was 848 or it was something like that. But now it's leaving anyway. 39117. Blue Peter is the name on this one. Present by date 807008, my new favourite number, going from Liverpool Line Street to London Euston. I almost missed 807008. First time I've seen that one in real, 807008. That's my new favourite number. That's the Liverpool to London one. There goes 39117. So 22117 now is going to be working the 1400 to Bristol Temple Meads. I think it got cancelled here before when it was on service. And now it's going to be working the 1400. Okay, got another passer, Avanti West Coast Class 390. It's going towards Glasgow or Edinburgh. (39136) City of Coventry. That's my beast Avanti, my 2023 favourite event that's going towards Glasgow Central. Wow, first time I've seen 391 physical that fast in Stafford. Actually, I did see it before, but I mean, this one, first time I actually record. So 1350 expected at 58. Manchester. The day that goes anyway to Glasgow. So 136 has passed now. Okay, right now it's going to be the 1350 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. This is coming in from London Euston. So this is going to be a 9-carriage one.
Platform 3 for the 1350 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling at Crewe, Wilmslow and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 9 coaches.
So this one's going to call only at Crewe, Wilmslow and Manchester Piccadilly due to the Stockport being shut. Because they're making a new bridge at Stockport, so till that gets fixed, that one is going to only call Crewe, Wilmslow and Piccadilly. It is 390 040.
Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway and Bristol Temple Meads. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The next bus up the bus stop outside the station front on the left-hand side will be the 1400 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe, called it Stoke-on-Trent and Crewe. The bus stop outside the station front on the left-hand side of the 1400 Avanti West Coast service to Stafford.
Okay, 390 040 is going to get ready to go now with the for 1350 Avanti West Coast service to
will be the 1324
Manchester Piccadilly.
Service to London Euston, calling at Wolverhampton, Southwell and Dublin, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry and London Euston. This train is formed of 11 coaches. You can find the shop in Coach C for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. The next train to arrive at platform 5 will be the 1403.
And 221117 is going to be finally ready to go now with the 1400 cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads, ex-Avanti.
Formed of 5 coaches. Check before you travel this August. The line at Stockport is closed from the 2nd to the 22nd of August for major engineering work. No trains will run. Stockport Macclesfield is their contract, but will take you by bus. Trains between Manchester and London are running from the 1st of Head to the Avanti West Coast forward engineering.
So that's finally ready to go now after it was at the station for about 1 or 2 hours.
Next train to arrive at platform number 1 will be the delayed 1324.
Okay, arrival now is going to be the 13.
Stafford and Dudley, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry and London Euston. That's next service into platform number 1.
Okay, arrival now is going to be the 1324 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Well, this is the slightly delayed 1324, I should say. It's going to be an 11 carriage, this one. Oh, and we've got another cross country going towards Manchester Piccadilly. I'll tell you when it comes if it's an ex-Avanti or is it a normal cross country.
Platform 5 of the 1403 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Wilmslow and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
We've got a cross country coming into Manchester Piccadilly. This one is the 1403 service. And no, this is a normal cross country, not an ex-Avanti, unfortunately. But we've seen about 3 ex-Avantis today. It is 221 121. My favorite cross country. So it's 221, 121. Okay, I'll let you off on not being X70. You're my favorite cross country. Okay, this one's coming now. 1324. Such a delayed 1324. Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Coming in from maybe Glasgow or Edinburgh. So this one is 390, 123. Okay, I'm gonna move over here. As when it goes, we can have it do the lovely sounding for underground noise when it leaves. Yeah, I will let you off for being not an X70 because I like 221, 121.
Train over platform number 1 is a delayed 1324 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Service to Wolverhampton, Stafford and Dudley, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry and London Euston.
39123. Hold on, guys. I need to check something. Okay, 221, 121 is now leaving. Working the 1403 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. That's my beast cross country.
24-hour CCTV
I do love 221, 121.
is in operation at this
Okay,
station
39123.
for the purpose of security and safety management.
This is the such a delayed 1324 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. This one still has a long way to go to London Euston. Next up for this one is Wolverhampton, but this one's gonna have a long way to go. I won't say the calling point because I don't know. I'm not gonna say the calling point, but it's gonna be a very long way. So after Wolverhampton, it's gonna be Birmingham, New Street, then Birmingham International, Coventry, Rugby, Milton Keynes Central. It should call at Watford Junction, and then London Euston. Yeah, I think that is the calling point. I just said that. Yeah, I think that is the calling point. $390,008, my new favorite number, was supposed to come here throughout my film, but I don't know where it is now. When we seen 39155, that one was supposed to be 390,008, but I don't know where it is now. Oh, 39123, not leaving. Okay.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 1403 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Calling at Rugby, Milton Keynes Central and London Euston, this train is full of 9 coaches. Please mind the shop exit.
Oh my god, that was a good underground noise. I think that's the best underground noise I ever heard a Pendolino do. That's my favorite underground noise today. 39123. That's going from Edinburgh to London Euston. Sorry guys, don't know what I was doing. 39123. Let's zoom in and see it curve through there. Yeah, I think that was my best underground noise, guys, that I like today. Next up for that one is Wolverhampton, that one. Okay, here we go, another Pendolino train going to London Euston from, I think it's from Manchester, 390,009. Oh my god, very close to my new favorite number. It's 009, Treaty of Union. Yeah, this one did come from Manchester. We're gonna hear the lovely underground noise when it leaves. It might not be as good as 123 did, but we will see.
Platform 1 from the 1403 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
Doing the wipers. 390,009 is doing the wipers.
This train is full of 9 coaches.
But this is the 1403 to London Euston. Okay.
Platform 5 from the 14.
Arriving now is going to be the 1413. Northwestern Railway service to. Anyhow, let's get this Aviro. There's an Aviro passing by.
Rushcourt,
350 376 again.
and Liverpool Lime Street. This train is calling on Borken. Railway, service to Liverpool Lime Street.
350 376 going to Liverpool Line Street. That was 807 005 going from London Euston to Liverpool Line Street.
Liverpool Lime Street. This train is
Okay, 390 should be ready to go now with the 1403 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. This is coming in from, I think it's coming in from Manchester Piccadilly. We're going to hear the lovely underground noise when it leaves. It might not be as good as 123, but it might be good.
Using the stairs, use the lift when carrying luggage. Stop for safety.
And by the way, guys, here's a sign of Stafford. Okay, 390 009. I don't know if 390 008 is coming anymore. But this one was very close to my new favorite number. Oh, it's leaving now. Let's head up lovely underground. Treaty of Union on this one. $390,009 Treaty of Union. They did a very good underground noise, but 123 was better with the underground noise. Pendolino guys passing by. $390,011 City of Lichfield. I believe that's going from Glasgow Central to London Euston, or it might be going from Liverpool Line Street to London Euston. So City of Lichfield, $390,011. Okay, got a Aviva passing by. It's an 805 Aviva. $805,013. That's on this return from Chester to London Euston. Okay, pass it by that. Okay, arriving now. It's going to be 7:32:10. One of the North Western Railway new toys going to Birmingham New Street. 1409 to Birmingham New Street.
This is a platform alteration. The 1421 cross-country service to Bournemouth via Reading will now depart from platform 1.
Once again, there's no platform alteration. Customers who require the...
Okay guys, now arriving is going to be the 1418 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. This one is going to be 390,119 flight progress. After it finishes Greatest Gathering, now it's out working again. When I was at Heaton Knowles Gathering, I said 390,119 was going to become 200. I'm so sorry that I said that because 390,119 was just attending the Greatest Gathering, so it's going to it's staying 119. Okay, it's coming now, 390,119. I've got 7:32:10 leave. I'm going to record 119 more because I haven't seen this unit for ages.
Wolverhampton, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Leamington Spa, Banbury.
Thank you for the horn.
Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, and Bournemouth. This train is 5 coaches. You can find the shop in coach D for delicious hot and cold refreshments. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
And there goes 7:30 to 10. Ooh, the name.
14:18
Progress.
West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling at Wiltshire
Okay.
and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is full of 11.
A very nice driver. Oh, people are going to come out. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, guys, behind 39119 is an ex-Avanti cross country working the 1421 to Bournemouth. We might get a leave depending on how this one's going to do.
1409 London North Western Railway.
Light proud. This one. Okay, this one. Is going to get ready to go now. 39119 is going to now get ready to go with the 1418 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. P9119 is back now after it finished the Greatest Gathering. So now as this one leaves, you're going to be seeing 221 now. And that's going to be our final train, which 221 is going to be our final train. So I want to see this ex-Avanti, 39119. And here is ex-Avanti 221 working the 1421 Avanti cross country service to leave it now. So thank you all much for watching, guys. If you like it, you can like and subscribe. So I shall see you later. Take care, guys. Goodbye. After this ex-Avanti leaves 221 to Bournemouth. That's the return of 221. So I shall see you later, guys. Take care, guys. Goodbye. Very happy to have seen 39119, and I got a horn from 39119 for the first time. So I'll see you later, guys. Take care, guys. Goodbye.